Welcome to Pfister Clarify Extract Unboxing, a pull-down kitchen faucet with GE dual flow filtration. Welcome Guide. Installation instructions in English, Spanish, and French. Drilling template. Faucet body. Easily switch from tap to filtered water using the faucet handle. 3/8" female hot and cold supply lines, black filtered water pert line, and nylon pull-down hose. Optional deck plate is included for 3-hole installation. The TITE seal mounting ring eliminates the need for putty or silicone. Supply line guide and mounting nut. Convenient quick install tool included to speed up installation. Hose weight. Blue filtered water pert line. The T connector diverts water to the filtration system. Dual filter mount. Dual filter mounting screws and optional drywall anchors. GE's advanced dual filters last up to 6 months. Water flow rates are 2 times faster than most common drinking water dispensers. And that's all. It's time to unbox your Pfister Clarify Extract faucet.